In this video, we've picked the 5 best rolling garden seats for seniors and anyone who needs extra support while gardening. We understand that everyone's needs are different, whether it's ease of getting up and down, storage for tools, or handling different types of terrain. These picks cover a range of uses and comfort levels to help you find the right fit for your gardening tasks. Let's dive in. At number 5, the Wheelie Easy Up by The Exceptional is a straightforward, no-nonsense garden seat designed for seniors or anyone who struggles with getting up and down due to knee or back pain. Weighing only 14 pounds, it's lightweight, enough to carry around your garden or even use indoors for tasks like cleaning or small repairs. The seat itself is made of durable polypropylene plastic and has a rounded shape with comfortable contours to reduce pressure when sitting. What really sets it apart are the 2 Easy Up handles on either side. These handles give you stable support as you stand or sit, reducing strain and making it easier for anyone with limited mobility. The wheels are 10-inch never-flat tires, so you won't worry about maintenance or flat tires, and they roll smoothly over hard surfaces like patios or paved garden paths. However, it's not ideal for very rough or uneven terrain because it lacks suspension, and the frame is fairly simple. This model is best if you want a reliable, portable, and low-maintenance stool mainly for light gardening tasks and gentle support. If your garden paths are mostly flat, and you prefer a seat that helps you get up without pain, but don't need heavy-duty storage or a big tool cart, this is a solid choice. Made in the USA, it also appeals to those who prefer supporting domestic manufacturing. At number 4, the Suncast Garden Scooter offers a compact, lightweight, and budget-friendly option with some useful conveniences packed into a simple design. Weighing under 9 pounds, it's one of the lightest on the list, making it easy to carry and maneuver, especially for seniors or people who prefer something that doesn't feel bulky. It has 4 small wheels that glide well over grass and smooth ground, but might struggle on very rough terrain. What makes the Suncast stand out is its foam cushion that can double as a kneeling pad, giving you the flexibility to switch between sitting and kneeling without extra gear. The built-in drink holders are a small but thoughtful touch for those who spend hours working outdoors. There's a storage compartment under the seat to keep your small tools handy. Because it's made from plastic, it won't rust, but might not be as durable as metal-framed models over years of heavy use. This scooter is best for those who want an affordable, easy-to-use seat with storage and a kneeling option, ideal for small gardens or patios. If your needs are light, your terrain smooth, and you prefer portability with basic comfort, this model is worth considering. Number 3 is the iCover Garden Cart Rolling Stool, which offers more features aimed at gardeners who want a blend of sturdiness, comfort, and tool organization. The metal frame has an anti-rust coating, so it handles outdoor conditions better than plastic-only models. It supports up to 300 pounds, so it's solid for most users. The seat height adjusts between 9 and 12.5 inches, which is lower than some others, but good if you prefer sitting closer to the ground for detailed work like planting or weeding. The seat itself is plastic with ventilation holes, and there's a soft backrest that helps reduce pressure on your spine, a big plus for seniors or those with back issues. What really makes this model different is its 360-degree swivel seat, which means you can rotate fully without twisting your body. Great for reaching plants or tools all around you without standing up. It also folds up easily for storage, which is handy if you're short on space. Included with the cart is a tool bag with pockets and a tray, so your small tools and gloves are always within reach. The wheels are smaller and smooth-rolling, designed for flat or mildly uneven surfaces. If your garden involves lots of precision work close to the ground, and you want a compact, sturdy seat with good storage and back support, This is an excellent pick. It's especially suited for users who value ergonomic comfort combined with portability. At number 2, the Sunnydaze rolling gardening cart steps into the heavy-duty category with a larger and more versatile build. It weighs nearly 30 pounds and has a frame made of powder-coated alloy steel, which means it's designed for years of tough outdoor use. This cart supports up to 300 pounds and has pneumatic tires that handle rough or uneven terrain much better than smaller plastic wheels. The seat height adjusts from 16.5 to 22 inches, which is the tallest among these picks, making it perfect for people who want to sit higher for easier access or have difficulty bending low. The seat also swivels 360 degrees, letting you turn in any direction to reach your tools or plants without straining your back. One of the biggest advantages here is the storage space. Beneath the seat is a plastic tray for small tools, and on the side is a large steel wire basket for bigger items like watering cans, gloves, or even harvested produce. This cart is ideal for serious gardeners who need plenty of storage, a sturdy frame, and comfortable seating that adjusts for different tasks and body sizes. If you're working in larger yards, farms, or on uneven ground and want a dependable all-around work companion, this cart is a smart choice, though it's less portable and requires some assembly. Finally, at number 1, the SAFSTAR Rolling Garden seat offers the best overall balance of strength, comfort, and features for diverse gardening and outdoor tasks. It supports up to 330 pounds thanks to its heavy-duty powder-coated steel frame, and it's built to withstand all weather with rust resistance. Its 10-inch air-filled rubber wheels have textured treads that grip uneven or slippery surfaces well, giving you confidence moving over grass, gravel, or dirt without tipping or slipping. The seat is ergonomically designed and can be adjusted in height to fit your body perfectly. It also rotates a full 360 degrees, so you don't have to twist your back when reaching around. Storage-wise, it has both a tool tray under the seat and a removable mesh basket on the back, which can hold everything from small tools to watering cans or gloves. This model is heavy-duty but still easy to assemble and multifunctional. You can use it for gardening, car washing, or even small home repairs. It's the best pick for people who want maximum stability, storage, and versatility in one seat, and who need to work on varied terrain. If you want a premium, durable cart that combines comfort, mobility, and smart storage for multiple uses, this is the top choice. To sum up, if you want a light, portable seat, mostly for flat gardens and easy getting up, go with the Wheelie Easy Up. For a small, affordable cart with basic storage and kneeling option, the Suncast scooter fits well. If you want better back support and a swivel seat for close-to-ground work, the iCover stool is your best bet. For heavy-duty use with great storage and tall adjustable seating, the Sunnydaze cart shines. And for the strongest, most stable, and versatile option with excellent wheels and storage, the SAFSTAR Rolling Garden Seat stands out.